给你在拍视频啊，你不是在 This is Doris. Now I am going to first workshop to see our CNC machine. And I show you how is the file cylinder positioning. This is our department, and workers can live in here. And in here is our canteens. We can eat lunch in here. You can see that the big brand, Mars. You can see that. Okay. Our office. You can see our works are working now, and to fix the machine or produce the machine. And you can look at this. This machine are packaged and will deliver our customers. Okay.